Hi friends, this is Anamka Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex for analyzing the majors as well as minus US30 gold, copper, silver, crude, US30, Bitcoin using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So let's move on to our watch list. So it starts from DXY and end with gold. So as per our expectation, the DXY it's bounced from here, and I already informed that I'm looking for this pattern, or what it will do from here, it can bounce, it can break above the high and again one more decline, and this could be an irregular flat formation, and again from here it is a bullish. So this is the pattern what I'm looking for. So one more pattern now I recognize this. Yeah, I will highlight this. See, anyway, this looks like the three-way structure. So whether this could be the end of that structure, and this is also, it's looking like a three-way structure here, like that. After this, it went bullish. So either this is the end of that structure, and this could be the end of the correction, and this could be the starting for that bullish scenario also. And last week itself, I informed that beyond the third wave, the third wave has got completed and we are in the fourth wave. So whether the fourth wave is got simple, it's completed with the simple, or it can do that what kind of structures, flat corrections, or it could be irregular flat corrections. So here we don't know whether what kind of structure it is doing, but we need to be in buy side once the three-way structure is got completed. So this three-way structure is got completed here. So 1, 2, 3, and after this is a bullish started. So whether it is going as a bullish for the scenario of the fifth wave, or it could again decline what I had explained here. It can go above this level, and again it can decline from here also to reach the 104 here in this zone. So once it completed, this could be the completion of the three-way structure and expecting the bullish. So here I'm expecting whether it is the end of the correction, one three-way structure simple, or again it could be WXY. Here it's a W, this could be the X, this could be the Y. So in any scenario, there is a lot of possibilities here I found. This could be the end of the correction, or it could be continue as a one more correction as the WXY, or it could be an irregular flat formation, but we don't know. But the destination is reached. Sorry, the destination is already fixed to that 110, 112. That is the destination, but we have to work for that. So no need to be in sell side. Maybe it could be an intraday or structure, something you can like, but as a positional trader, I am looking for only buy in the dollar. So let's move on to the Euro USD. I already updated Euro, GBP, UJ, AU, NU, the 5 charts. I found a time, so immediately I updated the chart from the 2 days. So I expected from here also it can reach in the formation of the triangle. This could be the triangle also, A, B, C, D, and E. After that it can bounce also. So there is a chances whether this could be the end of the E, and from here also it can bounce. So that is why I had already predicted this market. So whether the market is will give the valid formation like this, or see these kind of structures now happening lot of times, and I have already shown before itself. This could be the end of the correction also. It's already broken the previous high here. So if this is, we are looking for the triangle, or if we are looking for that irregular flat from here, it could be the irregular flat, but market always a tricky, and it will do opposite to our analysis. And I already informed that the same pattern here. If you go through my chart, I already explained this could be the end of that B also. See, these are all the patterns of what we are expecting, one more up, but market is not going to break the previous high and it is declined. I already informed that lot of times the patterns is now doing, we are looking for that somewhat irregular flat, but already it is completed here, and it is not more than this A wavelength, and it is very short, the B wave, C wave, and it is still happening in this Euro USD also. So I found this kind of patterns, it's nowadays happening, so be careful. It can decline from here also. So this could be that five-way structure, and this could be the three-way structure. Once it is not yet broken this high, then it can decline like this also. So the same thing I had already predicted this market, whether this could going for like, if it is the end of the fourth wave here in GU. So there is no compulsory to reach here. This could be the end of the trend also, or it could make an irregular flat also. It can break the low, and immediately in the three-way structure from here also it can do like this. Lot of times what I just drawing these lines for explaining, it's simple. You have to understand whether this could be the end of the fourth also. So I did as a five-way structure, but market will do like this in three-way structure, and immediately it can be another three-way structure, and later onwards the next week what I explained, this is could be the irregular flat formation because it's already broken this. So this is a running flat, and we can expect from here, but market again it will do like this. So what is the structure? It's a triangle, and again it can do the fifth way. So this will become a triangle. So these are all, see, we are just doing the weekly analysis, but we need to observe that what kind of structure, what kind of pattern, and what kind of waves inside in that 1 hour 15 minutes, what it is doing. So here it looks like, see, I already informed to one of my groups, for the friends group and for my students also, whether this could be the triangle also. So every time, see, in this 15-minute chart, look at this, is the short drop. So we don't know whether this could be a triangle also. This is a valid for that triangle also. So whether this is the A, so this is the A, B, C, D, E, and this could be the maybe, may or may not. See, the pattern I'm seeing like this kind, but expecting this, right? I'm not in buy side, but the destination is fixed to the downside, but the pattern is not yet ready, and we didn't know what kind of pattern it is doing. So we need to observe that formation. It's simply, it is Elliott waves. It's not that much easy, but it is not impossible. You need to understand the price action as well as the wave formation, as well as the 15-minute charts also. You don't need to trade, just observe, just listen what kind of wave formation it is. If you are not understanding this, just go through this kind of 1 hour chart, or it could be the 4 hour chart. Just it looks like very clean. So here one three-way structure. So either this could be the end of the fourth wave and we are on the fifth wave also. That is why I have marked here. This could be the end of the four, or this could be the end of the four, or this could be the end of the four, but it is getting ready to the downside. That is the only thing we know. According to the Elliott waves, we are looking for the downtrend, and it is already reached in the Euro USD, and it is already broken 1.303. So what we are expecting in the bigger picture, and it is doing, but in the smaller picture, in the shorter time frame, it may vary. But these are all the trapping for that retailers. So be cautious, and I already informed before the NFP, there is a lot of chances from here also. In the NFP, it can bounce, dollar may get decline, but what happened? Dollar gets strong. But expecting this, I'm not in buy side. If it reached here, I will be in sell side. So I am looking only for that sell side, not for buy. If you are not, if you are interested in the buy, so looking only for the shorter term, and as our time frame you select for that 1 hour or 4 hour or 15 minutes or scalping. But the bigger picture, I'm looking for this zone 1.04 like, and 1 GBP USD also here in this zone. I expected from here, expecting this one to reach 1 point here, or sometimes it looks like 1.25 also. So last next week it can be like this also. So I'm not saying only this also, but try to understand the trend is in downtrend. So we need to look for only the sell. Once the three-way structure is got completed, we need to be in sell side. But we don't know whether making this as a stop loss, just keep sit, tight sit. Because in US oil, even though I had explained several times for you and me also, I took a sell here and I exited here itself. After that, I'm looking for like this kind of pattern, but it is not yet done. I lose more profits, nearly $10. What I got, so another the $10 I lose because expecting these kind of structures, I'm not in buy side, but I'm looking always for the sell. The once the trend is got confirmed, we need to be in sell side means, or in the trend side, we need to be in that. But that is the only thing I learned from my analysis. Expecting this, I'm not to be in buy side. Expecting this, I'm in sell side. If it is not came also, I'm not losing anything because I already booked the profit nearly $10. I'm looking for another sell zone, but it is not happening, but it is not happened. So I lose my profit. That's it. Already I got. Look at this. I placed $7 here. The $8. After this, I I booked only the $10. The risk reward is 1:1. But what is my target? I told below the 90, but it is already reached. But I'm not in that. That is why I learned myself. I'm also fine tuning my strategy in my mind to set. Even though even though I already predicted the market, the target is 90, but I'm not in the trade because expecting lot of structures. But it did the same. So now also what I predicted, it can reach again 116 like that, but it is not happening. But the target is now fixed to the 60, 62 or 63 here. This is the zone I'm looking for, the next. But I'm looking for that sell. But that structure, it's not what I'm expecting is not, the market is not giving. So now what we will do, the next is I'm looking for this kind of pattern. So I'm looking for this here to short. So let's wait for that. Like that, if you keep moving your structure in the mind, you have a lot of possibility means don't trade. Lot of possibilities, don't trade. But the conclusion is in the downtrend. Our destination is in the downtrend. For that, AU, GU, EU means look only for that sell. If you are not losing anything in the capital, if you are losing the profit, it's fine. But you are not losing anything in from capital. So wait for the pattern to form. That's the main thing. You will be a successful trader in Elliott Wave traders. So let's move on to USD CAD. What I did, everybody knows, right? I keep on informing that it may bounce. So from here, my stop loss is the same to invalidate all my previous predictions. Here's the A, one impulsive wave. So these are all the correction, B or 2 or 1A or 1. So I'm looking for the C wave or the third wave. So this is the path I already predicted. This is the path to reach. So the first target is 1.36 now, not 1.34. So we are getting ready, and I already informed that I am in the buy side. Again, I bought at here. I didn't done anything. And previous, I did here, making this as a stop loss. and it hit my stop, and again it bounced. Immediately I entered here. This is a V reversal, right? So this is the zone. It's a consolidation. Now it's already broken here. So the next target is here and here for the shorter term. So whether it is going to see, I am looking for the buy, right? I already bought now. So now I'm looking only for this kind of bullish for the third or the C wave, the bigger third wave or the third wave in the C wave. But sometimes the market will do like this. But no need to worry. Our stop loss is got here. Until that, we need to sit tightly. Don't move your stop loss. Just looking only for the buy. If market, if it close above or trading above that 1.32, then it is in that third wave. I'm sure about this because the same pattern I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C wave. Or we don't know whether this is the 1, this is the 2, third, how the USD JPY is converted into that bigger. My target it was the previous is 118.6 to break here, 118.6 to break. But later onwards, what happened? The market is converted into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the same kind of it can do in USD CAD. So don't book profit early in this. You already make the stop loss. We already did the stop loss. Don't move the stop loss until hit because we are targeting the bigger target. See 1.29. Our target is 400 pips here for the stop loss, and here it's nearly 800. So 1:2 risk reward is there. So USD JPY. I updated this one also. This is the one I looking for, right? Market it did. So whether it is going to make a 5-way structure here, or again market will do here to confuse you, and then again it may do like this, or this is the end of the 4th wave and we are in that 5th wave. Anything is possible, but what is the destination? To 145 to 147. From here it is going, or it could be a complex expression and it is a shoot from here, no idea. And I already sold the market here, right? And I already booked here itself, expecting another, but I lose nearly 600 pips. So these are all I'm losing the profit because the trend is in upper side. So I'm just focusing to buy, not in sell. But even though I got a good trade setup in sell, here I took a sell 138.6 and I booked here itself. That you know, and I already explained because I'm expecting like this and it never came. And again it came down. Okay, what I thought, again one more 3-way structure to hit again this area, but it failed. And bang, the target is reached. It is in the exactly what I drawn this trend line. So now whether from here it is bounced, right? So this is the valid and this could be the end of that 4th wave also, or this could do WXABC. It is all depending on gold. That is why I have drawn this. This is also still possible. Still possible. The intermediate wave 4. So wait for this or wait for break this high to enter here or here. Until that's just keep on watching. So why I'm looking for this WXYABC? It's correlated to the gold and silver. I will explain once that in the last, right? So next, USD chef. Look at this. After this is the one ABC, and again I'm looking for that ABC, and this is the looking like impulsive wave, and it came down. So now what is that my view? Again it can go back as an expanded flat, or again it could be a running flat. 5-way structure is got completed without making the breaking this high, and from here it can decline. It is already broken this low. So once the 3-way structure 1 2 3, no need to break another. So that means 1 2 3 4 5 also, if you kept this as a 1 2 3 4 5 also, we need another 3-way structure, and again came to the downside. It has to come to the downside. Once the 5-way structure is not completed, again one more 3-way structure, again downside. So my target is to the downside only, and I already explained in the bigger picture. Just go through my previous video for the positional, and I already uploaded that USD chef in that IDC broker. So just go through, watch my analysis why I'm looking for that 9-1 as a target. So next is USD CAD. I already did. So USD JPY we did. USD chef. Yeah, next Australian dollar. So here also I did. From here, look at this. From here it can bounce, or from here it can be a 3rd way, 4th way, and 5th way. So that could be continuation for that further downside. And here there is a lot of possibilities. See whether this is a 1 or A, this is a 2 or B, and beyond that C wave means this could be the wave 1, this could be that wave 2. Here this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 in the irregular flat formation. I'm looking for the 3rd wave, but from here also it can go back above this. So again still this is a valid. If this is the wave 1 and it is not yet broken this high, still there is a lot of chances for making an irregular flat pattern of that expanded flat. So 1 2 3, and this is the 1, this is the 2, and again one more downside. But the target and the destination is in the downside, means we need to look only for that sell side. So we don't know whether this is the 1, this is the 2, or this is the end of the trend also, maybe. That is why I had drawn this one. From here also it has the chances for that 3rd wave. Or the one more thing is 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be the end of the 1 or A, and we are looking for the B or 2. So anyway, there is a bounce still ahead, but one more low to the target of 5-4 is ahead. So that destination is fixed. We are looking for that to enter in the trade. That's the thing. Look at this. This is a 1 2 3, but here this could be the 5-way structure, and beyond the B wave. So anything, I'm looking only for the downtrend, and I already shown the example of NCAD also for this. So this is in the New Zealand CAD, the same. From here, whether this is the diagonal pattern what I drawn here, so each and every wave got ABC. So this could be the A, and we are in the B wave. So I'm looking for that C wave of 3rd wave to the downside to reach 5 6. After that 4, and again one more 5-way to break this. So this is the plan I'm having. So according to this, I'm working on this. So Euro New Zealand, same. It is not yet broken, but I'm expecting for this, for the expanded flat WXY. So A B C D E means the X wave may be an expanded triangle, and one more ABC to the downside, that is also possible. Or if this is the S, this is the A, and we are in the B wave also. So B wave means it can end here also. I already shown this. This could be the A, this could be the B, C, W, X, Y also. So in any way, whether this is the end of that correction part and this is the fresh 5-way structure, we are looking for that 1 3-way structure and the downside. And we need to place a stop loss here, and I explained the last week also. So go for that. And if it is trading above this, the target is here. So we need to again for ABC. So this could be that expanded triangle X, and one more ABC to that downside nearly 5, 1.5, 1.52, anything. I'm looking for only the downside. So one second, just we will Euro New Zealand US30. It is doing perfectly what we are expecting. It's broken the downtrend, and this is what I said, this is the 5-way structure. After this, this is the 3-way structure, and later onwards this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3, and we are in that 4 and one more 5-way. So this could be the A, B and C, and after that we are looking for this one, or later onwards after the 4 it can bounce for that 5-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5. Later onwards this could be that here. After the end of the 5-way structure we can expect another 3-way structure. So again we can move for that irregular flat pattern here, or it could be a triangle, because this is a A, this is the B, and this is a C, or this is the end of the 4th wave, here the 3rd, and this could be that simple correction in the 4th wave. But I'm not looking this as the end of the 4th wave. I'm looking one more 3-way structure, because in the weekly trend, I'm looking one more correction for here. Either it could be an irregular flat, or it could be a triangle, or it could be a regular flat also. So if it is a regular flat, I'm expecting to the 26 here, this one, 28, 26 also maybe. So the still now we are in the bullish, so we have to wait for this. Once this zone, the 33,500 reach, means we don't know how it is going to, this is the decision zone, because we can make it this as a WXYXZ also, or this could be the 5-way structure also. Anyway, this is looking like one correction part is completed, and again this could be the connecting wave for this impulsive way to the downside, and one more impulsive is also possible. Or if it is still bullish, it can make another 3-way structure. This will be the connecting wave, and one more 5-way structures can happen here also. So anyway, here is the destination point for 33.5 here, and we need to watch this zone. So here, if I explain lot of possibilities, you may get confused. How it with the formation like this. This is a 1 2 3. So this is the 1 2 3, and this is the 1 2 3. So now this is the 1 2 3. So it can make a 1 more 2 3, and here is a 1 2 3. So again 1 2 3. So this is the next target maybe. Or if this is the end of the corrective part and this is the connection part, means we can again see this kind of impulsivity to the downside below 28, also 26 up to 26. So in this bigger picture in S&P 500, right, look at this. In the weekly we are in the 1 2 3rd, so we are in the 4th wave. So 4th wave means it will give the 38.2. so that is why I marked here. Sorry, one second. Yeah, it can reach up to the 3 or it could be a triangle, or it could be a regular flat. That is why I have already explained here. So this could happen, so we have to wait for this. And in that 1 hour chart, that same 1 2 3, so we are in the 4th wave. It can make one more high. So this is the A, this is the B. 1 2 3 4 5 means again we can expect to the downside. Or it could again make the 5-way structure, means after the 3-way structures we can expect one more. But if we expect like this, market sometimes if it is bearish, the 3-way structures can end here also to break this. After that we can make this also, so then this will become the connecting wave. So this kind of impulsive again to the downside is possible. So means If it is possible means again this zone. So whether it is going to happen or not here, so we have to wait for this, the wave formation, right? So in 4 hour it's looking bullish to make a 5 ways, one more 5 way structures to complete, or the whole 5 way structures means that is a very good sign for all the equities. Because why I'm looking for the equities in that bullish means the gold and silver and UJ. I'm looking for that. UJ is looking for that 147 means gold and silver to suffer. So then equities can move higher. That is why I correlated. How I correlated. So the next one is, let's move on to Euro, New Zealand. I already explained. Yeah. Yeah. Next is Bitcoin. It is not moving anything. So we already just go through the previous. No need to waste the time here. Just go for that previous analysis I have explained. So next is, once again, yeah, copper crude. So here it's copper, same, the three-way structure. Look at this, 1 2 3. So whether it is going to another three-way structure, or it is going to be a fourth way, and fifth way means Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. If it is a bearish, then the copper is also become a bearish. So either this could be the continuation of that 1 2 3. We are on the third, so we are in the fourth way means it can again correction, and one more for fifth way. So intermediate 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed means this could be the one, this could be the two. After this 3 4 and 5, right? So this is not 4, this is the 4 here. So this is the pattern I'm expecting. So we have to wait for this to confirm whether this is the ABC is a ABC is a B, and C means, so this could be the W, and we can expect this thing. But if this is the wave one, this is the 2 3 4 5 means this is a 1 2 3 4 5. So then this will become A, or this could be the 5-way structures completed means in the bigger picture this is the one A, this is the B, and we are looking for the C way. So but this will took more time as a bullish, because Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar to reach that my target of 0.5 to break New Zealand and 0.54 in Australian dollar. So then the copper will do like this. I'm expecting for the 5-way structures to complete, and then it will become more bullish. So, and if it is reached here means gold and silver has to reach that what I had explained, the 1350 or 1400 in that gold, and silver may be around 11 to break, or it could be around 16. So we have to watch. And next one is crude oil, right? So here I explained previous itself. So what I'm looking for here is, this is the one impulsive. So this A, B, and C may be the irregular flat formation from here to here, 1272. So from here, I'm expecting this one. Either it could be an expanded flat, or it could be in a running flat, and again one more downside. So I'm watching this zone and this zone, and if it is breaks above this also valid. So I am looking for the 5-way structures to complete, because here also it is looking like 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is the completion of the 5-way structure. So 5A means this is the A. So this is the one W, X, A, B, and C is completed means, or this is the A, this is the A, B, C means, again I'm looking for this kind of 5-way structure to trap all the retailers in the buy. Later onwards, this wavelength may occur here. After this, this is the 1, this is the 2, and the 3 to the downside, at that time you can shoot to that 1.36 my target. So still I'm expecting for the $100 to short, but not blindly. I need clear 5-way structure like this for the irregular flat pattern. Then only I am going to short this for the target of nearly 75, 70, and then after that 62 to 63 I'm expecting. So next is silver. 1, 2, 3. After this, whether this is the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, means I'm looking for somewhat 5-way structure. So here I'm not so convenienced with this kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means this could be the 5-way, means A. So this A, B, or this could be the ABC. B is entered. So 1, 2, and I already explained this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somewhat here is entered. So we can calculate this as a 3-way structure, or one more high is possible. So this could become the 5-way structure. Later onwards, I need one 3-way structure. Again, one more 5-way structure to reach 23 to 25 here. The previous is 22 and the next one is 25. Or it can reach this zone also, 24, 200. And then what we will do, this could be the A, this could be the B. So C is 1 here, and previous what I expected. If it declined from here, there is a chances, once again, sorry, here. If it is declined from here, this could be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, I'm looking for the third way, 1, 2, 3. So after that, 4 and 5. So I'm expecting like that. But what is market did? Again bounce. So this one is already completed. We need to keep like this. So now it is not valid. Let's wait, right? So lot of times, because sometimes what we are doing, the previous one what I did here, it's also valid now, but after that what I predicted, there is a chances for making this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will become the intermediate method. So for the 5-way structure is completed. So 1, 2, 3 is already completed. After that 4 and then one more down is also possible. But according to that UJ, what I'm expecting to that 126 to 128. After this there will be a connecting wave what I'm expected, and it is already did now. So in the silver and the gold also it did here. So once it declined from here, and again if it is a bullish, so there is a lot of chances we have to make this as a stop loss. And if it reached nearly 24, so going for the sell, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and one more 5 to break this one. Otherwise, sometimes see, this could be the A, B, C. So this could be the W. After the 3-way structure, this could be the X. After that, A, B, and C also. No need to break this one. And there will be a next, this could be that impulsive wave, this could be the correction, and one more impulsive wave to reach that $52. That is also possible. So in silver, I am looking for to break this, may or may not, but we are looking for this zone, nearly $16 to $17 I'm looking. So next is gold. So previous also what I predicted from here, this could be that wave 1, wave 2, 3, so 4 and 5, right? This is the one as per that silver what I expected. But market, it looks like 5-way structure has got completed. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Or sometimes what it will do, it will took all the stop loss here and it will do like this. So this will become the 5th wave, and later onwards market will do like this, and it will reach here, and from here again it can bounce. So then this previous valid wave got 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one, and the fifth one. Okay, this is the third, fourth, and fifth is already completed. So now we are in that wave 1 is completed. Here wave 1 is completed, we are on the wave 2, or this is the W, this is the X, this is the A. That is also possible. Again one more ABC and again C. So anyway, it is not yet broken this low. Once if it breaks this low, definitely it will reach this one, 1300 or 1450. Yeah, first one is 1450. After that is 1265. This is the one. So intermediate weight is 1350, but I'm looking for the next 1275. But we need to watch this zone. How DXY is going to happen. Reach that 112 or 115 or maybe higher, and UJ is also going to break the 150. So let's wait. So this is the path I found, and here it's clearly it is a five-way structure and it is not yet broken. This low means still we are in the bearish. For the third three-way structure is not completed, we are looking for that. Either it could be a C wave or it could be a third wave. So hope you enjoyed my analysis for this week, and I covered everything without fail this time. So happy weekend to everybody, and have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful week to start after the NFP. Thanks a lot. Bye. See you.